Today, we will give you some tips for the wear and care of your HRM-Fit heart rate monitor. Taking proper care of your HRM-Fit will help keep it performing at its best. Without regular washing, sweat and salt can build up on the heart rate monitor and decrease data accuracy. To maintain optimal heart rate performance, be sure to rinse your strap after each use. After about 7 workouts, you'll need to clean the HRM-Fit. To do this, hand wash the strap in warm water using a small amount of mild detergent. Leave the clips open during washing to clean the insides, but don't force them open. Once you're done, thoroughly rinse the strap to remove the excess soap. Lastly, lay your strap flat to air dry. Leaving the clips open can help it dry faster. Do not clip the strap onto anything to hang dry. It is only intended to clip onto sports bra fabric. After the HRM-Fit is dry, close the clips and stow it away until your next activity. And that's all you need to know about taking care of your HRM-Fit. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.